it do, yeah. It's my birthday. It's my birthday, girl. It's my birthday. All right. Happy May 27th. It is my birthday. Ooh, I am grown today. Grown. Oh my gosh. All right, so today we are going to watch ES here. Okay, so for my trade entry today, what I am waiting for, first let's look at the 4-hour chart. Let's look at that together. It's 9 o'clock. So we got the first 30 minutes of NY session already done. The daily chart, if we look over to the left above the white screen, we see in the daily we have an engulfing candle right on the bottom of this supply zone / zone ES here. Okay, so for my trade entry today, what I am waiting for, first let's look at the 4-hour chart. Let's look at that together. It's 9 o'clock. So we got the first 30 minutes of NY session already done. The daily chart, if we look over to the left above the white screen, we see in the daily we have an engulfing candle right on the bottom of this supply zone / zone of resistance, this area where we dropped significantly from previously. So we have now an engulfing candle, which is bullish. So very bullish today for this engulfing candle. Now on the 4-hour, this is what I like on the 4-hour a lot. So if we look at the 4-hour here, we see, okay, we had this uptrend going, we broke through, drop, base drop, but we didn't continue to drop. We're actually now moving in the opposite direction. We broke in market structure, right? We broke market structure with this big green candle, and we came back down to try to retest. Now we haven't closed below this previous 4-hour area of support that was created. Not only is it an area of support, we got this engulfing candle, we also are on top of that previous zone of resistance. So, and then when we look over to the left, we see that this same level we popped from on our 4-hour. This was actually the level we popped from where we made our most recent high. So, yeah, so right now my bias for the day is buys currently. So I am looking for a break and hold of this monthly level. So if I can get a nice break and hold of this monthly level here, this 5902, then I am going to take this bad boy up. So that is what I'm waiting for. And obviously that will be breaking this previous area of resistance that we formed on this 1-hour. I haven't marked orange, so this was something that was happening during a trading session and not at the time a key level that was marked, but now it's showing definitely some reaction. We had dropped at this level twice, so now what I'm waiting for is for the entry to the upside. So at this point, we're waiting for this break above this previous area of resistance, but I want to see my key level held. So if I can get my key level held, then I'll feel really good getting into a buy position.
All right, so this is where I got into my buy position. The original entry that I wanted, the monthly level, was broken with volume, and I didn't see any entry for me to take to the upside. So I ended up taking an entry break of the resistance that was created in it was the 15-minute time frame where I ended up taking an entry of that break, and then the retest candle that I saw on the 15-minute chart. So if you look on the white screen, you see that little red candle that tried to come down, but then we opened up with a little bit of volume and engulfed that candle, also with the higher time frames as confluence. So I ended up closing the position with $150 profit for the day, and it was closed a little early. I was not feeling that resistance level that was showing, but I should have trusted my levels. Definitely would have ended with more profit. But it was my birthday, so we ended up downtown and took some views in at the Discovery District and ended the night with a nice steak dinner. Happy birthday to me.